Hey guys, it's the weekend. It is Saturday and I am so happy. It's gonna be a lazy day. I am planning to do nothing at all. Except for cooking, that is. So last night, guys, I was heading home and I got a notification that a tornado watch will be in effect starting at 9 p.m. So it was kind of like scary. So I hurried home, I got in, jumped in the shower, got something to eat. I went on the socials for a little bit. I can't even tell you guys when I fell asleep. Like, I was out like a light, right? So I got up this morning and everything seemed normal. So I got back in the couch because this is where I slept. And I went on my computer, I didn't see any update or anything like that. So I'm like, okay, cool, that's fine. But as I was sitting here on my computer, all of a sudden, I just felt this darkness came over the entire place. So I rushed to the window. When I look in the sky, it was so dark, like scary dark. And I was like, oh my God, is it going to happen today? So then, I took up my phone. I called a few people that I know, and they were like, nah, they don't think so. But, we might get rain and whatnot. I'm like, okay, cool. So that's even one of the main reasons why I'm not even leaving the house today. I don't want to run into anything, so I'll be staying home, all right? So I have one snapper fish that I'm going to cook today. I think I'm going to steam it. I don't have any pumpkin, but I have like the cock soup and the fish tea thing. I can use that. I've done it before. Work out the same, so I'm not too pressed about that. But yeah, I'm going to do steamed fish for my dinner. I haven't had breakfast yet, so I might have a bowl of cereal in a few minutes. And that's it. I'm just going to be on my computer for the most part, editing some videos, continue with my research, and that's it. But it's going to be a chill day, guys. So I decided I would just jump on real quick to introduce this video. And yeah, I'm going to do a steamed fish for you guys, Jamaican style. And that's it. So I'll see you guys in the next clip. Bye. And look, it is still dark. Let me see if I can show you guys outside. Hold on. I'm going to try to show you guys outside. Hold on. Okay, so let me show you guys outside. You see? It is so dark. There's no one in the pool. Only the lifeguards are down there. So I'll be home all day. So guys, my friend baked me this cake. You see why I'm getting fat? I almost have half. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm just gonna slice it up, put it in some Ziploc bag so I can put it in the freezer because I'm done with this for now. So I'm gonna slice this up and put it away in the refrigerator. Well, that's what they told me to do, so that's exactly what I'm gonna be doing. So these are all the ingredients for my steamed fish, guys. I have some okras, potatoes, scallion, thyme, hot pepper, onion. I have a carrot, some pepper, and I don't have any pumpkin, but I'm gonna use a combination of these two cock soup. One is a pumpkin soup and the other one is a fish tea flavor. I've done it before, works just the same. You can never tell that I didn't have real pumpkin. So that is it. I'm gonna peel my potatoes and get everything started.